Today we are going to study the first topic of Maths 1, which is linear equations in two variables. The definition of linear equations in two variables is an equation in two variables with the degree of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. For example, 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. The second example is 3x minus 5y is equals to 2 are linear equations in two variables x and y. The degree of the variables x and y is 1. Therefore, in these two equations, the degree of the variable is 1. Therefore, these are the linear equations in two variables. Now, we will see the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variables. Here, a, b and c are real numbers. For example, 2x plus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0 is the general form of 2x plus 4y is equal to 13. In general form, the condition is that if a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0, then the equation is a linear equation in one variable. Therefore, the condition is that a is not equal to 0 and b is also not equal to 0. Now we are going to start one activity. In this activity, we have to complete the following table. The first example is, the first linear equation is 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. We have to find this equation is a linear equation or not. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables or not? In 4m plus 3n, the variables are m and n and the degree of each variable is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. In second example, 3x square minus 7y is equals to 30. The degree of the variable x is 2. Therefore, it is not a linear equation in two variables. The degree of variable x is greater than 1. Therefore, it is not a linear equation. In third example, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 60. The two variables each with degree 1. Therefore, it is also a linear equation in two variables. In a fourth example, 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x is 0. Therefore, the equation will become 6y minus 3y. Means there is only one variable y. Therefore, it is not a linear equation. In the example 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Here also the coefficient of y is 0. Therefore, the equation will become 0.3x minus 36. Means only one variable x is there. Therefore, it is also not a linear equation. In sixth example, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. The degree of variable is minus 1. In this position, we cannot say it is a linear equation. But this equation can be reduced to a linear equation by making suitable substitutions. By taking suitable substitution, this equation can be converted to a linear equation. In 7th example, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. The degree of xy is 2. The degree of x is 1, y is also 1. Therefore, the highest degree of this variable is 2. Therefore, it is also not a linear equation.